If you're feeling unprepared for your AdMaths exam, don't worry, you still have time to improve. Hi, I'm Terry. With more than 25 years of experience, I've developed Express Notes to help you revise the most important topic in a clear and efficient way. In this video, we're going to focus on chapter 4.1, Indices and Laws of Indices. Let's get going. Let's look at this. Number one. Okay, I'm going to start off by going through the few formula for indices. Very, very simple. There are a few laws. The first one is the multiplication. If I take 8 power m, multiply 8 power n, the result is 8 power m plus n. When you divide the number, we minus the power a power m, divide a power n. Outcome is a power m minus n. The third one is a power law. When you power it, just take a power m times n. Okay, if you have the same index, just put together the base, multiply together. Or if this is division, you just divide them. You can actually factorize them together like this. Okay, so let's go straight to one simple example. Example number one. You're supposed to simplify this. Okay, so 12a power 4. This when you multiply this, right, it becomes a plus, plus negative 1. So can I just write minus 1 here? I do very slowly. B power 5, right? Divide 2 power 3. I write 8. This is a power 3. B power 6. Okay, come to think of it, can I not write a 4 minus 1? You're not like from 3 anymore, right? So can I write a power 3 straight away? So this is 12 a power 3, yeah? And can we cancel this? 12 divided by 8 is 3 over 2. Your a and a you can cancel. A and a you can cancel. B power 5, B power 6 cancel. Left with B power 1. Okay, next one. Can we square root 36? Square root of 36 is 6. Square root of x power 3 over 2. Now remember, square root simply means power half. If I say square root of x means x power half. So this will be x power 3 over 2. And this y power negative 4, right? When you power half, you get y power negative 2. You multiply with 3 over 4. X power negative 1. Y power 1 over 3. Now, can you cancel these two? 6 and 4. Cancel. Left with 3. 3 times 3, 9. Now, here I do a bit slower here. You have x power 3 over 2. You add with negative 1. So it's 3 over 2 minus 1. You have y power minus 2. You add with 1 over 3. The outcome will be 9x power 1 over 2. Y power negative 2 times 3 is 6. Minus 6 plus 1 minus 5 over 3. You can leave it like this, or you can bring the y down, up to you. Actually, it's not necessary. If you want, you can do that. You don't want, it's fine. If you want to write in this form, also okay. So here we have to simplify, give an answer in terms of n. The first one is very simple. Just change everything to base 3. Okay, base 3. So this is 3 power 2. And 9, when I square root 9, right? Square root 9 is 3. So we can write 3n. Now, for those who wonder why we can do that directly, square root means power half. 9 itself means 2 power n. When you square root power half, you can cancel it. Immediately, you can write this as 3 power n. So how about this 27? 27 is 3 power 3. There's a 2n minus 1. Now, let's just multiply inside 1 by 1. Guys, this will give us 3 power 2 minus n. Divide 3 power n. This is 3 power 6n minus 3. Now, put it all together. This will be 3 power 2 minus n plus 6n minus 3. You should get 6 minus 2 minus 2, 4. Right? 4 minus 1. Am I right? 3 power 4 minus 1. Okay, next. For part B, this one involving factorization. Whenever you see there's a plus and minus, it involves 3 terms, right? We will have to factorize. Okay, first of all, let's break this up to 2 power n times 2 power 2. Keep this as 3 power 2n. And the last one, leave it as 2 power n, divide 2 power 1. Next, what can we factorize? What is your common factor? Well, we can take out 2 power n, 2 power n, 2 power n, the pink color one. If you take out 2 power n, this is 2 power 2, this is 3, this is 1 over 2. 2 power 2 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 minus half is 6.5, right? 6.5 is 13 over 2. Am I right? I think we can just keep the 13 in front. put 2 power n over 2 at the back. And from here on, remember, when you divide the number, we minus the power. So this will be 13 times 2 power n minus 1. 8, right? We can break it up to 2 power something, 2 power 3, right, to be exact. So I can change this to, or maybe do you want to break it up first, or do you want to, okay, I'll tell you what, I write this as 8 power n times 8 power 1 first, divide by 10 power n. Do you understand this or not? Yeah, there are many ways to do it. You can change the 8 to 2 power 3 straight away. Up to you. I will now divide 8 and 10 bracket power n times 8. Since they have the same power, we can group them together. 8 divided by 10 is what? What is 8 divided by 10? 4 over 5. Okay, both of them has power n, right? So we can write 4 as 2 power 2. There's an n here. There's a 5 with the n, and you multiply by 8. Okay, we know 2 power n is p. So maybe I rearrange I see. I put the 8 in front, and then I put the 2 power n square at the back, divide by 5 power n. So this is 8p square over q. Okay, second one, 16. What can I do with 16? 16 is 2 power 4. Or some of you may want to write 16 power n, 16 power 1 first. Now 20, got to think 4 times 5, right? Now, by the way, if you have this calculator, right, I've shown you this function many times, right? You press 20, you press equals, shift, factorize. 2 power 2 times 5. You can write 2 power 2 times 5. You can write 4 times 5 first. Up to you, right? This calculator can convert this function. I say this again. 20 equals shift, factorize. Basically, it converts it into a prime factor, right? We call it prime factorization. Okay, 25 by square root, you're left with 5. There's an n plus 2. Remember, I said this just now. 25 is 5 power 2. There is an n plus 2. Square root means power half. Notice I've just canceled this 2, right? Nothing happened to my n plus 1. My n plus 1 remains the same. Now, next 16, we change to 2 power 4. There's a 16 here. This will be 4 power n and 5 power n. This is 5 power n and 5 power 2. Okay, next, let's put 2n bracket 4 outside. This 4 here, right? Okay, I wrote this wrongly. This is a plus. This 4 here, we can write, guys, I want to catch up my working a bit. I write 2 power n square. Okay or not? This is 25 with a 5 power n. Okay, we know 2 power n is p. So this is p power 4 over 16. This will be p square q. This will be 25q. There you go. That's your answer. Solving equation involving indices. So basically, if you can change everything to the same base, we do that. We compare the power. Like for example, this one, the first one here, we have 25 power x plus 1 and 125 over 5 power x. So we change the 25 to 5 power 2. There's a x plus half. 125 is 5 power 3. There is a 5 power x. Now, when you multiply this, see, this 2 I can times in 1 by 1. So you get 5 power 2x plus 1. You know why 1 or not? Because 2 times half is 1. And then this is 5 power 3. When you divide the number, we minus the power. Okay, right? 5 power 3, 5 power x. When you divide it, it becomes minus. So let's compare the power. 2x plus 1 is 3 minus x. Bring the negative x to the left-hand side. You will get 3x equals to 3 minus 1 is 2. X is 2 over 3. Now, next one. The difference between A and B is that A is a linear equation. B is a quadratic equation. Now, we know 27 we can change to 3 power 3. There's a 2 minus x. 81 is 3 power 4. 9 is 3 power 2. But there's an x here. Okay, be careful. We have multiple x here, so we're going to times this first. So this part will give us 3 power 6 minus 3x. And this is 3 power 4 times 3 power 2x squared. When you multiply the number, we add the power 4 plus 2x squared. Can we compare this? 6 minus 3x is now 4 plus 2x squared. Bring everything to the right hand side. 2x squared plus 3x minus 2 equals to 0. Can we factorize this? My factor should be 4 and 1, isn't it? 2x, x, 4, 1. 4 is positive, 1 is negative. So final answer, x is half or negative 2. So in this case, you have to form two linear equations and solve them simultaneously. Okay, run with me. The first one. Change everything to what base, everyone? If you see 2, 4, 32, change the base 2. So this is 2 power 4x plus 1. 4 itself is 2 power 2. And 32 is 2 power 5. Okay, now next, when you divide the number, we minus the power 2y minus 5. So we have 4x plus 1 equals 2y minus 5. Well, maybe I make y as a subject. 4x plus 6. Y is 2x plus 3. Equation number 1. So next, the second equation, I will change everything to base 7. 49 is 7 power 2. This is 7 power y. 343 is 7 power. 343 is 7 power 3. So when you multiply the number, we add the power. This is 7 power 3x. So 2 plus y is now 3x. We can just call this equation number 2. So let us sub to 1 in 2. Okay, 1 in 2. So 2 plus 2x plus 3 equals 3x. My x is just 5, right? 3x minus 2x is 1. 1x, so 2 plus 3 is 5. So just sub inside equation number 1. Find your y. 2 times 5 plus 3. Is it so? It looks like a very big number. 13. X is 5, y is 13. Yeah. When do we use substitution? We use substitution in the event that you have 3 terms. Like for example, you can see here, there's a power m, a power n with another number. There are 3 terms. We use substitution. And normally we let the whatever having power x equals to u. Okay, so in question example 6, right? A is a linear equation. B is a quadratic equation. So first we change this to 3 power x minus 18. This is 3 power x divide 3 power 1. So when you let 3 power x becomes u, this u minus 18 is now u over 3. My job is to solve for you right now. I know a lot of people don't like fraction. This is what you can do. Multiply everybody by 3. So 3u minus 54 equals to u. 2u equals to 54. U is 27. But what is u? U is your 3 power x. And we know 27 itself is 3 power 3. Your x is therefore 3. Now, second one. What can I do with this 5? 5 power 2x plus 1. We can break it up to 5 power 2x times 5 power 1. There's a 5 here, and there's a 26 with a 5 power x. Again, we can use substitution. We let the one with the power x, which is 5, 5 power x, let it be u. This is 5. Okay, is it too fast if I write this as 5u squared? Because we know if 5 power x is u, right, the moment you square it, this becomes 5 power 2x. It's not 5x squared, it's 5 power 2x because you are multiplying x with 2. So that's why this is u squared, 5u squared plus 5 equals 26u. Now bring this to the left. What we have here is a quadratic equation that you can factorize, right? What's the factor here? This is 25 and 1, right? 25 and 1 minus and minus. My u is 1 over 5 or 5. Okay, u by itself is 5 power x. 1 over 5 is 5 power negative 1. By comparison, what's your x? X is negative 1. Second one, 5 power x is 5. 5 itself is 5 power 1. X is just 1. If this video helped you, you can get my advanced book from Shopee or Lazada or by searching Ability. For full step-by-step learning, check out my e-course or join my classes at Pusat Tuition Ability. Remember to like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next video.